Hey folks, it's Chris from Dreamy here, and today I'm with the D20 Plus. It's our newest machine, and I think you're really going to like it. It combines a lot of high-end features, but in a really affordable package. Straight out of the box, it comes with my favorite part, the Quick Start Guide. Without this, I'd be scratching my head for hours. It also comes with the instruction manual, an extra bag, and here's the mop pad, because in this unit, it's different. Instead of having the mop and the vacuum combined into the same unit, you switch in between them. So when you're in vacuum mode, it does a lot of vacuuming and that's it. And then when you need the house to be mopped, you just attach this pad and then it goes off and does that. Kind of clever. I think I might like it. I'm not sure yet. Let's take a look underneath and see what we've got. Here you can see the roller brush with the rubber pad to help us pick up hair and fine dust. And of course our little friend for the corners there. And it'll track around and get into those hard to reach places. This is pretty much standard robot things, but I bet you're wondering, where's the mop? Well, again, that's a separate piece that will then attach to it when it's time for mopping. Let's see how that works. Flip it over, slide this into the track, and it clicks in just like that. It is literally that easy. And to take it off, there's two little catches right here. You simply undo it, and there it goes. Well, without water, there's not going to be a lot of mopping now, is there? So let's open it up, and let me show you where the water is stored. Here you see the water tank in the front of the unit. It simply clips out, we fill it in the sink or wherever, click it back in, and now it's ready to go. The D20 Plus not only has its built-in dirt container, it also self-empties. So when it's docked here, there's a small bag right here that collects the dirt too. So the unit will empty itself into the dock, and then later on, once this bag is full, all you have to do is unsnap it and take it and throw it away. So now that I've told you about all the features of the D20 Plus, let's take a look and see how it handles a real house. It's kind of messy. Now that we're done with vacuuming, it's time to start mopping. Let me show you how easy it is on the D20 Plus. You simply flip the unit over. Here's the mop pad that I spoke about earlier. It simply slides in and it's ready to go. So there's the D20 Plus. You know what? I kind of like it. I think it did a really good job vacuuming, and I did like the fact that I could swap it over to mopping. This way I don't have to worry about wet mop pads going over my carpet or anything like that. It strictly does vacuuming, then strictly does mopping, and I think that's a really good feature. I think in this price point, it might give you the best bang for the buck out of any robot I've seen, even in the Dreamy lineup. Once again, I'm Chris from Dreamy, and I hope you enjoyed today's quick look at the D20 Plus. For more information, check out our website below or visit us on Reddit, Instagram, or Facebook.